Ford CEO says EVs are 70% incremental to Ford's sales so far. NVSA, New Vista Acquisition, announcing cancellation of extraordinary general meeting and plan for liquidation. That is November Victor Sandy Alpha, NVSA.
Morning, good morning. Adably, Jag,
Letter
AJ,
F, Ford
Shastina, how are we
CFO
doing?
says lithium-ion batteries will be significantly lower in cost. Aim for an 8% margin on electric vehicles by 2026.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Good morning, good morning.
And NDM, Nano Dimension, initiates an active share repurchase process. That's November Delta Michael.
Unathi, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it.
Ford CFO says aiming to get the smallest possible batteries with the right range. That's letter F. Shares of Roku getting a pop to the high now, 58.71. Roku scheduled to report
Roku pop.
after the close today, ROKU.
Just looking through the runners from yesterday. A lot of them held up pretty well. Look for some continuation.
UPST, more new highs now. Upstart
That was another one.
on their earnings and
That's the
upgrade.
one that didn't trade here yesterday. I don't know, I was kind of out of the
Uniform
mood.
Papa Sandy Hotel. Less than a minute to the U.S. market open.
This thing has a lot of room. $20 is the next obvious line on the daily. Meta getting spanked. Say this is the. No, this is the. What was that one that kind of went crazy all day? Was it that one? BWV? And then it just, I guess it looks like it faded the rest of the day.
-02/15 dash.
You don't even have shares on Upstart.
UPSTHTB.
DoorDash is spiking. No volume though.
S&P 500 down 24.49 points after the open. Dow Jones down 200.69 points. NASDAQ down 57.09 points after the open.
Watching Roku. A little spready.
Yeah.
Damn. I'm just looking for the bigger pop there through the $0.50. 4 cents.
See, I'm right to it.
It's got 30-cent spread. You can't give me a bigger pop than that.
UPST.
AMC, if you got him, is making a decent move. Range kind of sucks. Nice move though.
Yeah. Is GME doing the same thing? Yeah, basically. Not as big, but yeah. CVNA starting to move too.
AMC HTB. GME 38K.
EMKR.
A firm chart.
TIGR. EMKR.
IQ2.
Letter F,
EMKR.
Ford CEO says have to design, build, and
isn't
sell
good.
future EVs totally differently to get 8% margins.
EMKR. XPON. RNAZ.
Azul up.
RBLX.
Mention this AZUL. A bigger move up through 5. It's kind of a crap daily.
Yeah, you see that.
Was watching CVNA. I was hoping for a bigger push there too. Nothing really got that extra push.
Oh,
CRDO. RBLX.
Roblox moving. Looks like earnings or something this morning.
AMP.
Something.
on what?
RBLX. Pretty good move.
Nibble.
BOXL.
IPO for today, NFTG, NFT Gaming, 1.7
range.
million, priced
back
at
up.
$4.15. November Foxtrot Tango Golf.
That's another
Coming
one.
up
I
at
was ready to get
10
in.
a.m.
I was looking for the much
Business
bigger move through
inventories for
44 there.
December and the NAHB Housing
BTUs
Market
moving
Index
too.
for February.
Daily trash.
There's A firm trying.
These little broke is at 5 now. Thought it was gonna pop through, but didn't touch it and dropped.
FUTU.
Watching BTU.
RBLX.
Got a good start on that RBLX.
LTHM earnings.
BTU to pop through 31.
Letter F, Ford. CEO says looking at battery cell costs of less than $70 per kilowatt hour with lithium ion phosphate.
UPST.
Watching CRDO, but SSR died.
Order filled.
Took a starter on A firm.
Hearing Gordon Haskett says Saudi sovereign wealth fund may have 190 million share
Starter
position
AFRM.
in
AFRM up.
Tesla. That from Gordon Haskett. Also saying, Gordon Haskett also saying no more share position in
BHC.
GPN. That's Golf Papa November.
AFRM dollar on way.
RBLX Roblox shares 23% now.
Order
all-time highs,
filled.
43.91.
Carat.
Calling their
All out of
report,
A firm.
earnings report earlier.
Worked well for you.
Wow, guess I should have let it go. Let it work.
On leftovers.
AFRM nice.
From on BTU.
Yeah. No, I couldn't jump in BTU on A farm.
I'm watching both of them. They look very similar.
Just felt it was moving slower.
Yep.
Hey guys,
PLTR dollar on way.
made a nice trade. I just wanted to come in and tell you.
And AZUL.
Oh, and he's gone already.
Yeah, he's gone already. I just wanted to come in and make sure you guys know.
Yeah.
BLX.
Tell me why you traded the first minute of the bell.
Oh, it's what I do now.
I have nothing to look at. What are you looking at?
He
Azul
posted
dollar.
his shirt.
UPST.
I just think it's so funny, like how hypocritical
TSLA
he is with
scoop.
that.
Yeah, he does
It's,
most of the
it's
talking.
okay for you to do it, but
AMB.
oh wow, Tesla was back over 200.
I jumped all out of A firm right there.
It was a
FUSN.
good win, though. We got what, like 40 cents total, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to take more shares on A firm, but I was hoping for the pop through 14, and it wasn't giving it, so I cut my shares in half in case it wanted to run.
Ditto.
Yeah, frustrating. It's a nice move, though. I mean, same with BTU. I really wanted to jump in BTU for the same reasons, but it was just so slow.
A firm's going back up.
It needs to drop like that. You see the vengeance it went up?
Yeah. AZUL dropped.
TSLA dollar.
Basically looks the same as the other two, as BT went firm.
VLO.
TSLA dollar on way.
NRDS.
FUSN through 5 please.
NRDS.
OCUL up. AFRM PLTR trails.
NRDS. NRDS. NRDS.
Watch an NRDS move up through 16 could be nice.
You fucking serious? We ain't got no shares on Upstart?
UPST.
Yeah, I checked that right at the bell.
CISO.
Look at it. It's gorgeous.
I saw it. It was nice at the
LTHM
bell.
dollar on way. CISO NTB.
CISO. RBLX.
Yeah, Upstart looks nice.
TSLA dollar 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 dollar.
NRDS.
It's almost back to high day.
CISO.
Carrot. NRDS up.
NRDS. POWW.
Earnings.
UPST. NRDS.
Also
NRDS.
0.189 M over what you can trade.
NRDS.
Carrot.
NRDS. NRDS.
Trying to get filled on NRDS on the ask.
Jag, you have Upstart?
No, I haven't been for a while.
Yeah, these were all my long watches. Upstart, RBLX. I don't know about that NRD one. TTD.
Autofilled.
I read.
Starter NRDS.
TTU up.
The
Didn't even
starter
get
on
that.
NRDS.
Good luck, sir.
Oh, it filled you?
At 41.
Did you get that BTU, Thomas? I heard you mention that.
No, I passed on that one and took the other one.
Carrot
Gotcha,
earnings.
RBLX.
I hate those energy oil companies. I never know what
NRDS.
they're gonna do, man. TTD is gonna rip.
HLF.
HLF up.
NRDS.
Watching HLF as well.
NRDS. NRDS.
Herbalife. I haven't seen that.
IONQ up.
There's a bunch of Herbalife stores open in here. They call them something else,
NM.
but they're Herbalife.
Big Co.
Really?
Yeah.
Can't even believe that's still a company, dude. Shady freaking.
Yeah, they call them something nutrition. They everybody like they're kind of like franchises. They're not.
And it's all Herbalife.
INMD.
It's all Herbalife inside.
That's crazy.
ILPT start.
Watching
That thing was like the
IONQ as
ultimate
well.
period scam back in the day. This TTD is ripping, man. I know you
Pretty
Jag used to hold that long term, man.
RBLX.
All on earnings, man.
NRDS.
Oh, Upstart. If I could trade one
HLF.
stock, that would have been great this morning.
There goes NRDS for you.
Did you get an ad, Tim?
Yeah. I was looking for more for an ad. It's not like I can get out on the ask. Good old
INMP.
spready spreads. So this HLF is looking pretty good.
Firms through high a day. Like more if I'm gonna get it.
DDL up.
Volume isn't looking so good on HLF. The only downside.
Son of a bitch. I was about to hit it at 55, but the spread. I saw 67 on the ask, and I was like, I don't want to pay the spread, and Jesus, it fucking worked right away.
NNDM.
That would have been nice. That would have been a quick one.
Yeah.
HLF miss.
NRDS. NRDS.
I looked away.
NRDS.
FUTU, Futu Holdings, the
Yeah,
March
it's running again.
55 calls active now. Foxtrot Uniform, Tango Uniform, FUTU.
JMIA up.
RBLX.
Size making a little bit of a move.
Man, look at Roblox. Straight up.
DDL start.
CSG. AMV. HCSG.
Take a look at SI
NRDS.
if you guys have it. I don't.
BZFD. NRDS. NRDS.
Don't either.
It's making a run too.
Coin making a run.
Coin 177K.
NRDS. 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 NRDS.
Order filled.
NRDS.
Tried to hit it at 63 and it didn't take it.
PINS Pinterest, the February 25.5 calls active on Pinterest. Papa India November Sandy. WISH, Context
SI.
Logic, getting a pop here. 80 cents. Whiskey India
SINTB.
Sandy Hotel, WISH.
Midday.
Order cancelled.
TNON.
Firms running.
TNON. 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 NRDS. SI.
EYEN, Inovia,
NRDS.
announced development collaboration agreement with Formosa Pharmaceuticals, Echo Yankee Echo November. Airbnb shares hitting 135.98, up about 12.25% following their earnings report yesterday. That's Alpha Bravo November. Airbnb, Alpha Bravo November Bravo.
AMV.
Oh, we had some excitement this morning.
And somehow I don't have a trade. I don't know what the hell I'm doing.
You didn't hit any of them today?
No, I
Been that much.
going back and forth and going, I don't know.
Yeah.
I can't blame you there, Jag. It wasn't that much.
I
Late
feel
on
like
them.
volumes. I mean, volume's better today for sure than it's been the last few days. Like RBLX, Upstart. There's volume here. SI. We haven't had this for the last week.
When the two of them got firm, I was going back and forth between BTU, Affirm, and AZUL, and they all did the exact
Couldn't
same.
settle into one.
They all did the same thing.
Yeah, I've been there, dude. Today, that's why I muted everything. I was only going to trade RBLX.
The
I wanted
military
in it fast.
administration
I
sent
got in
around
at the first
6 enemy
minute.
balloons were
I
seen over
traded my
Kiev on
plan. It was good.
Wednesday. All were engaged by air defenses. Most were shot down.
Affirm, I was watching it again and didn't do it. Just dropped 40 cents.
And my mind said, as long as RBLX is over 41.50, I buy. At the end, that's it. SI getting a little pullback, but we don't have shares in that thing anymore. BTU dumped all the way back down. I didn't even look at AFRM.
POWW.
Pull back, higher, pull back.
Jeez, coin. All the
Where's
everything's
coin at?
just dying.
All the way back.
Besides what I'm in. Fuck. Spy just
Holy
took a dump.
cow. That's why coin's dumping.
What's this?
Oh, coin is massive dump.
Nerd wallet.
AFRM $, DDOG $,
Which one are you still in, Tim?
CVNA trail.
NRDS.
Nerds. Nerd wallet. Oh my god, it is. That's hilarious. I was just guessing. That's hilarious. I've seen commercials for this thing.
Hoo at Ole. Azul done.
AMV.
Dang, Spy just tanked. What are you watching, Jag?
I'm actually long in Affirm.
Long firm. I was looking at that. It looks like higher highs, higher lows.
Just covered half.
See if you can be patient and wait for that higher high.
At Ole.
I just covered half of it, so.
Yeah, you just want to make sure. I mean, 1403 is key. If you can get above there, you're probably going to the highs at least.
Yeah.
If you can't get above there, then you could be forming some sort of funky head and shoulders here. That chart's kind of funky. It's got a big gap to fill.
BLON.
Come on, get over 14, man. Let's do it. Got decent volume.
I'm out.
Nah, you don't like that red candle?
Nope.
Gotcha. That's one of those I'd be indecisive on too. If it gets over that 1403, you're solid, but
Coming up at 10, the NAHB Housing Market Index for February expecting 37, and business inventories expecting
I'm
plus
staring at
0.3%.
Upstart and RBLX, seeing if I can get some continuation of one of those.
BBBYNTB.
Airbnb made a pretty decent move today too. I believe it's earnings as well.
I don't know how Bed Bath & Beyond is getting anybody to trade it.
It's a meme stock, dude.
Yeah, but they're closing stores like everywhere now.
Yeah, I'm in the same
NRDS.
way when like AMC was all shutting down and
NRDS.
what was the other one that was like that? Oh, GME. They were shutting down stores and they went to
GME.
freaking 300, 400 bucks. Meme stocks, they don't care, dude.
Probably very volatile and playing the short squeeze bullshit.
Yeah, that's all they're trying to do is get it to
Mhm.
squeeze out those shorts.
And there's
And
big people playing that.
you push it high enough, shorts are gonna say,
I haven't
screw
looked
this,
at it.
I'm
I'm
out.
only guessing. But that's
It's
probably
down to
what
like $2 now. I mean, but that's after it made this big run from 3 to 8 or 7. But that's just them screwing with money, dude. Make you cover and then they shorted.
In market, I do remember HTZ went up on filed for bankruptcy. Fucker.
AMB.
I want that nerds to slam here.
AMV, Atlas Motor Vehicles, popping to the highs on volume. That's Alpha Michael Victor.
AMB. Look at that, unless you want a $2 stock. That we don't have shares on.
Order partially filled. Order filled. Order cancelled.
AMB.
42 on the NAHB Housing Market Index.
You guys have AMV.
If you have AMV,
No,
we
we
don't have
don't.
AMV. I was gonna
We
say, if
don't.
you have it, you might want it.
The consensus was 37.
No.
Wasn't interesting until it made that
Business
220
inventories
pop,
plus
but
0.3%.
that
That's in
became
line with
interesting.
estimate.
Look at the SPY. Move up.
back to highs.
S&P futures getting
Not
a small
quite, but
pop here now.
Just went up basically $1.
Oh yeah, dude, this is gonna just chop back and forth like a madman
Oh,
until.
AMV.
Oh, dang!
Crazy one.
Oh, dang! Look at this thing.
Coin's going back up too.
Never heard of that thing, Atlas Motor.
AMV
Tim would
shares
be
no
all over
spiking
that.
on heavy volume.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's definitely a Tim chart.
White on rice.
I think you might have even taken that, even though you don't like the cheapos that much. I can't
No, I
imagine
didn't like it
that.
because the halt was right there. It kept bouncing off of it.
Oh. Oh, you won't do that halt stuff, huh?
Not going into a halt.
Yeah, I mean, I'm with you.
Oh,
I know
boy.
Tim's
AMV
kinda
halted.
getting that down, but those scare the crap out of me.
AMV shares
The
now
only
halted
one
on a
today
circuit
so far
breaker.
that I've seen that hasn't
Ever
made.
since
Now I'll
opened,
jump in
it
them
opened up.
after it
Alpha
opens
Michael
up and
Victor
spikes
Oh,
with it.
absolutely,
circuit breaker.
absolutely. But Going into the hole, that one that opened up $2 higher that I was
I know it's
in,
on earnings,
never
but
again.
I mean,
Never again. I don't care if it's a
me
unicorn. I
something.
don't want to be in the unicorn. Scares the crap out of me.
What's your average, Tim?
21. This thing just does not want to pull back. It's the only stock I think I've seen today that hasn't pulled back.
I mean, to be honest, it hasn't really gotten volume yet either. Like, you know, a big... That hasn't even come.
NRDS.
Good coin.
If it's going to.
NRDS.
Coin is wacky. I can't trade that though. I hate those in the range like that. I just don't know what to do with them.
ESA at Tia Biotech, that small cap research out with a $10 price valuation. That's Echo Delta Sandy Alpha, EDSA.
Like would have been a good one when it hit back to higher day again. Dropped 70 cents.
Did it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another. I mean, that short definitely tells you to short it, but
Well, I mean, yeah. What do you short
look
it?
at the volume though, man. The volume's such trash.
Yeah.
And we're a little over half a mil and 30 minutes in. Nobody's playing that. This SI looks like it's gonna get whippy. Got my eyes on that one for a potential long.
Coming up at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, crude inventories, a build of 1.166 million expected. Distillates, a build of 447,000. And gasoline inventories, a build of 1.543 million.
Good coin, Jesus Christ.
Coin and SI almost look the same.
They're both Bitcoin related.
Ah, makes sense.
I didn't know SI was until this morning. I heard it on something. SI is the one that's got the news, though. There was somebody that is putting money into SI.
Order filled.
Bitcoin thing. Blah, blah, blah.
Order cancelled.
SI Silvergate Capital, the
I got a small
weekly
long on
$20
this
calls
SI right now.
active. Sandy, India. SI.
Look.
I took a little bit out on the pop, but I'm so
Citadel is buying
SI.
into SI.
That's it, yeah.
Not getting any love today. I don't hate the trade. It's just, I mean, I hate it
Joseph
obviously where
Silvergate,
I'm at in it, but
$19.62 at the
just
high.
never
Sandy,
pulled back.
India.
I took a little bit more off there. This thing isn't pushing like I'd like to see it too.
AMV.
AMV open. Let's see what that thing's going. Going higher. Now dying.
What stock?
AMV resuming
Well,
trade
we
now,
went out,
following
we
a
can't do
circuit
anything.
breaker halt. Alpha Michael
over
Victor.
to-
Oh, AMV. I took a little more off there.
They're
It says
spiking now
AMD
$2.63, up
That would be something.
66%.
Oh,
That
it's
thing
Looks like it
AMB.
wants to go
I've never
higher,
seen this
huh?
on hold.
Need a slam here.
I'm down to like severe
Continuing
leftovers
to
in this
spike
one.
here now on very
I'm gonna
heavy
have
volume.
to take a bunch off. I mean, a slam down to 60, I think we're gonna at least... oh, fuck. Come on, fake out. Don't even try to go higher.
Actually, just a little bit slow.
Just debating
I
on
gotta take it
50
out
or...
there.
yeah.
Order
Maybe
cancelled.
a little bit on that.
Order partially filled.
Oh, that hurts.
Order
Yeah,
filled.
I got in like at 30. I got from 30 to 85 or whatever that top was. Take what I got.
Really?
That was a scalp, dude. I got in that a little late.
Literally covered the top.
What you got up, Jack?
Order partially filled.
Nothing.
Order filled.
Nothing.
Might think about long in SI under 19.
Yeah, dude. I'm keeping that on watch for sure.
Oh, it either works here or...
I don't know what to do with this Airbnb, man. It's kind of
toasty.
expensive, and it's not at like a level where I want to trade it yet. So I'm gonna stay away.
Order cancelled.
That's alright, as long as it stays kind of above that 19 area, 1890s. I kind of like it.
I mean, that's the definition of a fake out. Oh, if it goes back to the highs, then obviously it's not a fake out. Unless it wants to fake out twice, which that would just suck. Because we're going to be out of it at that point.
What you trading, Frogalicious?
Fuck me, man.
That didn't get into that 19, huh?
No.
Should probably be hitting this stuff harder than I am today. I feel like I'm seeing things clearer than I was even yesterday.
Order filled.
It was more than I thought.
Order cancelled. Order partially filled.
There you go. We, bitch. Go
Order
we.
filled.
I'm assuming Nerds is coming down.
Yeah.
Keep going. We all the way to 1620s.
We all the way home.
SLQT finger and button, go ga go.
Why have we never used that reference yet?
Too simple, huh?
Where's your average in that now, Tim? I assume you got an ad.
1768 with realized loss.
Oh, okay.
AMB share is now pulled back from the high of $2.72, now at $2.16. That's up Michael Victor.
A push till 2.5 will be great.
Science at 20.
VAPO up.
Yeah, I'm kicking myself in that one, dude. Should have been putting something into it. I thought about it over that 1930s area, and I just chickened out. Even if it was a couple hundred shares, it would have been a nice trade. Sometimes you eat the chicken, sometimes you are the chicken. Today, I was the chicken.
SI. GNRC. Cal.
Sorry, Froggo on the nerds.
QS.
Spread is crazy on NRDS. And
What is?
the spread on NRDS.
Oh, UPST, man. I mean, not UPST, but SI.
Yeah, over 20.
I got 2066. That's where I think it's going. Still not good at just holding those, man. Like for good. It's a hard move.
Firm's starting to make move back up to high a day.
What's that?
Firm.
SPY's just being choppy, to be honest, but
Yeah, going between. Basically, it's got a dollar chop back and forth.
yeah. But it seems like things aren't caring.
UPST.
You're getting movement.
UPST upstart more new highs up 25% now, $21.17. Uniform Papa Sandy Tango.
I just trumped in this UPSC. I didn't realize the halt was so close.
Fucking penny.
AAPO.
Trying to come down. Come on, nerds, just keep it down.
Good old pennies, man. Gotta love it.
Yeah.
Order was at 17.17.
Move the whole price up.
ETB trade desk shares getting a pop to the high 63.04, up 26% now. That's Tango Tango Delta.
What a joke, man.
I can't believe they just did that.
Are you really that surprised? Come on.
Well, with it moving that was a fast move.
And I just happen to be a penny under where it goes. Yeah, I'm not surprised at all.
RKT, Rocket Companies, seeing the February 9.5 calls on Romeo Kilo Tango.
Jesus, TTD's
That's
moving so
RKT.
nicely today.
Trade desk.
Yeah, dude. It was a good gap today. I mean, the only reason I took the other one was I liked the price range a little better. $40 as opposed to $60. I was like, all right, take the one that's a little cheaper. Airbnb was my third best gap, but that one's $130. So I was like, all right, that's last on the list. All right, as long as Upstart holds here, let's see if I can get mad.
You're in it?
Yeah.
Oh, what's your average?
Oh, like right here, dude. I'm a little, well, now I'm green. I've been like, 4 cents under, 4 cents above the whole time.
TSLA
I got
Tesla.
that one
seeing
pop,
some
I
call
took 100 off
activity
because I was
in
like, the halt right there.
Tesla now.
Runs over 14, 1540s. Like it's moving, though.
I got the hold up to 86 now. That might give it a little room. My average is 09 to be exact.
Look like the spy's trying to break out of its little range here.
Let's see if we can take Upstart with it. Upstart goes against me here. I'm getting out. I don't really want to play with this. There you go. Nope, I'm out. That looks like a little fake out candle to me.
Side just dropped 2.
Did it?
Yeah, side just dropped 50 cents.
I mean, this thing might go. I'm not 100% on it. Did you say SPY or SI?
SI, SI.
Ah, gotcha.
The spy is still trying to break
Yeah, the
out
SPY's still going up, but I do see the SI dropped. I don't think Upstart has anything to do with that crypto bullcrap, though. Probably just freaked me out, but I gotta pee.
Order cancelled.
APRN, Blue Apron.
I
small
literally
pop here
caused
on
that?
some volume coming in off of Romeo November. APRN.
That's weird. I actually have shorts on APRN. Not that I want them, because this chart looks horrible, but I can't believe I actually have them. A $1.08 stock.
See Meg stepping up its game.
EHOP earnings.
Certain things, that's just a weird. I'd rather have shorts on something else because that's just awful looking.
Yeah, this Upstart's probably gonna go.
MGNI.
MGNI is on my scanner. I haven't seen that. I think he's just grinding up.
What is it?
MGNI.
I don't remember this one.
Yeah.
Volume's a little poopy.
Yeah.
That's one of those that the volume could just come in and shoot to the halt, though.
Yep.
We'll do it without me.
MGNI worth I.
By the way, Silvergate is a crypto bank, by the way.
Yeah, I said it's got something to do with crypto.
I thought you said it didn't have anything to do with crypto.
No, that was something else. Upstart. UPSC. I don't think that one has anything to do with crypto at all. I may be incorrect on that one even, but I'm pretty sure it's some Chinese company.
AAL, Calera getting a pop here now. Kilo Alpha Lima. $6.33. Up 3 3/4%. KAL.
I was calling out KAL. Don't look at that.
KAL 30K.
SI looks like she might want to give that pullback after all.
I'm done with that. Working on it. I have it up on my far corner, but
Yeah, I'm still kind of into it a little bit. Let's see what it does here.
TNON.
See if I can get some better fib lens on it. Those are interesting.
Ticker has absolutely hated me from the beginning.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
FSNB.
MGNI dollar on way.
His average is up in the 60s, right?
yeah.
Order cancelled.
Nothing's been whippy.
Yeah.
It's just this. It's just the spread.
A lot of spready stuff out there.
Right there.
Order cancelled.
PTON, Peloton, a note from M Science says through February 5th, connected fitness gross ads continue to accelerate sequentially through the end of January and early days of February. That's Papa Tango Oscar November from a note from M Science, PTON. Peloton shares right now at $13.65, up 2% PTON.
You guys can't hear the dog barking, can you?
No.
Okay.
CVNA is back up.
I don't think I want to look at that. but Skeleton Dog was
TMDILOL.
KAL.
Go gagu gaga go go go.
It went up to 1180.
Carrot.
Actually, that was a nice spike,
NYHC.
but I don't like seeing it.
It doesn't like you.
It doesn't. It's not like me at all.
Spiked right into that spike from yesterday.
UIHC getting a pump to the high. United Insurance up 26% now at $1.91.
Got shares on it.
That's Uniform India Hotel, Charlie.
Oh, Jack, I think that's one of those that I gotta pretend I didn't hear.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's a safer bet for me. Just to pretend like it's not happening.
It wants me to go in, but I'm not doing it.
Yeah, she's a
UPST.
It's a scary one.
Coming up, crude inventories a build of 1.166 million
at 12.20.
expected. Gasoline a build of 1.543 million, and distillates a build of 447,000 expected. That's
No.
coming up in just about a minute at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time.
CVNH.
Yeah. Closed up on NRDS, huh?
I wish it would just try 17 out of it.
It's trying.
Order filled.
Took it off there.
Definitely don't envy that trade.
All out NRDS.
It was not a
So you
fun
end up
trade.
break- So you end up breaking even based
Stalking
with
BZFD.
all your costs.
Losing $2.
That's not bad.
After commission. No, it
Yeah.
could have been way worse.
Same
Same
re
here.
BZFD.
Not bad.
Crude
being
a
you were what?
build
upwards
of
100?
16.283
Well,
million.
I was
versus a
still in the
build of
position when I took off
1.166
75% at the top
million
and I had
expected.
300 realized.
Gasoline a build
Read
of
that up there, so.
2.317 million versus a build of
That was a clear one.
1.543
That was
million
what we top
expected.
ticked it.
And
Seems like you
distillates
played
a
that
build
well.
of
I top ticked the
1.285
shit out of
million
it.
versus a build of
I was the
4.3
shares.
Yeah, you did.
is
I was the
selling
shares at
off
high
here on
bid.
that very large build.
The only-
I ain't
So-
gonna lie. If it would have had a little bit more volume, when I seen you hit the button, I was like, I should be jumping in short because we know what's gonna fucking happen. This bitch is gonna flush.
I
Crude now falling, continuing to
the only
fall
part
here at
I was pissed about was
77.81.
that order at
Following the
1717.
10:30
Fucking
data.
all
Yeah.
this it went from
Yeah.
15 to 18 and I missed it by a penny. That would have been a pretty big cover at the time. I mean, I still ended up getting pretty close to that, but that would have actually given me a pretty decent green trade.
Heavy volume in Bausch Health.
I think I would have still made like $50 on it or so.
$8.52 at the high, now up 13%
But I will take it.
for BHC.
Definitely
I mean,
a good fight.
Found the only one that decided to just not pull back at all.
Bausch and Lomb, BLCO, named
Well, obviously it pulled back now, but I'm just saying on the way up, it just did not seem to want to
CEO.
do it. And the spread was just killer the entire time. It was annoying.
CVN $8.
I don't want to look at that one the rest of the day. Watching BZFD.
BZFD. BZFD up.
I was hoping for up through 210. I could come back to 2, but struggling here.
BZFD dollar.
Yeah, I
In
can hear him jipping
TMDI.
going. I just tuned him out.
This SI, dude. So we got that one up, Jag?
Yeah.
I think she is gonna do it. She wants it.
I'm not touching it.
It's pretty frustrating.
Here's what the
Literally
float
watching
is.
all the other tickers that I could have probably traded instead just dump right after I thought about getting in them, and then
It
literally
is
the
off
one
the
that I picked
bottom.
because I thought the chart looked the best to me.
IBKR
ended up being the one that decided to be stupid.
File Form 25 with the SEC to delist the company's securities.
Of course, it's working now.
Says will redeem all outstanding ordinary shares included in units issued an IPO effective as of the close of business on March 2nd. That's IBER.
That thing was very annoying at the end, and that not getting filled by a penny after all that was kind of the icing on the cake per se. Yeah.
TMD I want more like 0.40 myself. BZFD pennies on the way.
Now we get our obligatory slowdown.
IoT.
This D-dash, D-A-S-H, is going straight up very slowly.
HLF.
That one caught my attention
STNG up.
a little bit ago, but just can't jump in that.
UIHC.
Yeah, this was one of them, HLF. I pulled it up and was looking at it right there, and it gave that immediate pullback. It did try to go back to the highs. Did it go through? 65. No.
MGNILNT.
HLF.
IoT.
HLF up.
Samsara getting a pop here on some volume coming in. That's India Oscar Tango.
HLF.
Earlier, BMO initiated coverage with a market perform rating and
Looks like
$17
it might
price
be
target
earnings.
on IoT.
PAVM. UIHC. IoT.
Can we get an AMV that we can trade, please? I mean, look at that one. That was beautiful. Why can't we get one of those? Does it get any better than that? I mean, that's literally an A+ trade.
Bird.
Right.
UIHC.
I mean, that's not true. I'm gonna have to give it a B+ because it was SSR, but the move itself that it made was just
BZFD.
Here comes HLF down again.
I know. I
BZFD
thought about
out
it.
all
I was
for me
hoping
out.
for like 2020s.
Fuck, I was waiting for 2040s, dude. That thing was. I just couldn't get motivated about that one.
I'm just saying I wanted at least 20. That's kind of what that one's been
UIHC.
doing. I've been watching it most of the morning. It kind of gets these little pops and then gives most of it back.
UIHC.
Have you?
Bird.
I'll be back. Good luck.
Hey man, see you later. Yeah.
BZFD back in some.
UIHC. 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 UIHC.
All right, I'll be back in a minute. I gotta go update Windows and see if it fixes my issue.
There, man. Be here.
I was watching this dash. Just cleared this level and dumped. Wanted to push back into it. That's crazy.
The NRC Generac company's earnings call.
These are
on
my
Thursday,
top 7
going
AI
back
tools
here.
that are not ChatGPT. Number 1, we got Midjourney. This essentially is a text to image creator. You could say a frog in a cup of water in the middle of a lake, and it'll spit you out that exact image. Number 2 is Descript. This is a video editor that uses AI technology to change your voice, edit text, and a bunch of other features. Number 3 is Synthesia. It's very simple to use. All you have to do is enter a script, and a human-like AI will speak that exact script for you. Number 4 is Merlin. This essentially puts ChatGPT into your browser, so when you're responding to someone's text or an email, it could use ChatGPT-like technology and help you with responses. Number 5 is WriteSonic. This essentially allows you to create articles, emails, drafts for job creation. Pretty much everything that you could think of that's in copywriting is all in this tool. Number 6 is DALL-E 2. Essentially, you could erase entire sections of images and have it recreated. And number 7 is 11 Labs. You could make an exact clone of your voice, so you don't even have to speak content when you're making it. If you like AI content, make sure you guys toss us a follow for more. These are my top 7 AI tools that are not chat. This is a video editor that
Not yet, Pink.
BZUN.
EZUN, Bowsen getting a pop here. Bravo Zulu Uniform November off the lows. BZUN.
Scary hours, man.
I'm lit. Hey, it's how he run his routes. He can't disguise him.
I ain't gotta say too much with the legendary
BA Boeing. SPOIJ says
Justin, man.
Boeing will purchase 5.6 million gallons of blended sustainable aviation fuel. That's
This dude.
BA Boeing.
Las Vegas, man. I'm pretty man. And then
it's good. What's poppin', man? Coolin'.
Oh my God.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Tell her you need the bar. Tell her you need the bar.
So should we just do a pack and go? Is that fine for you? Pack and go. That was better for you? That's better for you? You know what I'm saying? I want to warm you up. You know what I'm saying? I want as many as I can do.
Shit, I thought you was just doing like 1 or 2.
I'm winning this. What do you mean?
I'm lit. I'm lit. Sean's a goat, man.
I mean, I had lefty quarterbacks that been, you know what I'm saying, but not like my main quarterback.
VNET.
Trust me, brother. As long as you put it there, it's going to get caught. Regardless.
Calls active Victor November.
You know what I'm saying? First route was a little out there. You know what I'm saying? Huh?
You want to reveal or not?
I'm going to do it after this one.
After the route?
After this route.
After this route?
After my next route. Whenever I go.
Scary hours, man. That nigga need to catch the damn ball. That nigga need to catch the damn ball, man.
First of all, look, this how this happened. Look, this how this happened. Mike won't come up to me. Look, this how this happened. Mike won't come up to me and be like, let's do a post corner on the first route. I said, Mike, you're not warm yet. That's what I'm saying. I said, Mike, I wasn't even trying to touch the ground today. I said, fuck. He ran on this field. Yeah. AD?
You catch the first one, you keep going until you knock out. So you might run a few reps.
That's fine. You know what? That's fine. Let's see how.
Let's gamble.
Shut off. And then I'm it's called the back route.
Yeah.
And I'm going back. I'm acting like I'm going inside, but I'm going back.
I ain't been. All the years playing in the league, how many routes they have in the route tree? Patient, run with him. Run with him. Squeeze coming in. Coming in.
That's
what we talking about.
Thank you.
What we talking
Right me the whole time.
SI up.
Right me the whole time.
I'm holding you.
Hell yeah, you got me.
Headbutting you, bro.
All right. Come on. I'm ready now.
Hoodie off. You know when they take the hoodie off, it's real. Hey. Oh. Is that Justin Jefferson, fam? You scrapped it. Come on now. Is that Come on now.
Shares on SI.
BA Boeing CFO says Max 737 Max deliveries to decrease to low 20s in February before ramping back up. That's BA and Boeing.
$250K back.
Watching SI. It wants to run.
SI.
Roku up 2.
A minute waiting for the run. Long.
Well, I hope you get it. Kind of hoping for a push up through 21.
SDIG.
2211 is an interesting spot.
Obvious spot on the daily is up at 24. So it's probably not going to go right
I
there.
don't have faith in that, but
Shares of Generac rebounding a bit here. Fell earlier, now 132.98, up about 6%. Company, after their earnings report on a call, said sees Q1 total sales down by 25 to 26% year over year.
What's up, YouTube? Today is a huge day. With the help of some awesome creators and, of course, BSG, I finally have the green light to announce the new community-driven anti-cheat system for Escape from Tarkov. So currently, Tarkov uses Battle Eye anti-cheat, and to be honest, it kind of sucks. We all have experiences like this. I'm not killing Killa, bro. I'm not going to carry that shit. Killa dead, ah! And this. Yeah. That's legit. And well, somehow even this. Yep, that's a legit player. It's shocking how high of a level these players are able to achieve without getting detected. When you die to a cheater in Tarkov, you can report the player on the death screen, and if you're feeling extra motivated, you can report them in the launcher. The problem with this system is that Tarkov is a game full of desync, bugs, and all sorts of f***ery that makes it extremely hard to tell if someone's in fact cheating. So for every real solid cheater report, you have quite a few junk reports that don't really lead to anything at all. That's where the new anti-cheat Discord comes into play. Let's say you just died to a cheater. You can make your way to the report channel where you can fill out a ticket with some basic information: the cheater's in-game name, the raid ID, the date you encountered the cheater, and a link to a clip of the encounter. Many graphics cards come with the ability to clip gameplay with a hotkey like Shadowplay, or OBS is a great tool to save the clip as well. Just upload your clip to a free service like Streamable to make it accessible. Once you submit your ticket, a group of vetted volunteers with a combined hundreds of thousands of hours in Tarkov will approve the clip to filter out clips of desync, bugs, and other nonsense. After the clip is processed and double-checked by another team, it will get sent to a dedicated team at Battlestate Games that will conduct a manual review of the account and all relevant information to carry out a manual ban, as well as cross-reference data between these tickets to crack down on the actual cheat methods themselves. The Discord will be in the description, as well as the pinned comment down in the section below. If you think you're experienced enough to review clips, feel free to apply there as well. I think this will be a monumental step towards fixing Tarkov's cheating problem, and I appreciate all of you for sharing the passion that I have for this game and its community.
MNTV, Momentum, seeing some volume coming in. Michael November Tango Victor, MNTV.
Oh, here we are again. Hey, I got track pants on this time. Look, socks, chat, okay? All right, everybody said that I didn't have socks on the last time. They were just tan. Everybody thought I was showing toes.
TMDI
So
heavy.
it appears we're back for, I guess, Couch Chat 2.0 or something. Hi, my name's One. One Peg. I'm a content creator on Twitch and on YouTube. I've been a content creator full-time now for 3 years. I've been making content about Escape from Tarkov primarily, but a bunch of other games and a lot of other things for going on a little over 5 years now. In fact, my
BZD
2-year
stop
partner
B/E
anniversary on Twitch
Meg.
is in about 2 weeks. I've made a name for myself in this space
MZFD
as someone
asterisk.
that I believe has been incredibly fair
LOL.
when it comes to critiques I make about games like Escape from Tarkov, as
BA
well as
Boeing
the things that I've
BZFD.
developers do
CFO
well.
says about
What's really funny
9737
is 3
MAX
days ago.
planes in China yet to return to service. That's
I
BA
wasn't paying
Boeing.
attention, Devin. Did you hold on to this?
No. Something out. I posted it. Not really like looking to risk anything right now. Going into the afternoon. Had a pretty good day today. It's been a kind of crappy week. I'm gonna hold on to what I got.
Just happy to be green.
Yeah, that trade was a bit of a nightmare, huh?
Yeah, it did finally work its way down to VWAP though, after being a pain in the ass.
Boeing CFO says supply chain continues to have its moments of disruption.
That's mainly the reason why I like that 1 million shares. It just
BRCC.
enables me to have more conviction. Anything under these, I just don't know, you know. Volume can come in one way or the other, but how do you predict which one it is? There was a bunch of them that looked pretty decent this morning that had like 500,000 volume too, like a bud.
BZFD LOL. Dollar.
Today was the day of
BZFD
low
dollar.
volume pumps in the morning. Still think SI's gonna push, but probably not until after lunch. And I think Dash is gonna drop, which I'm watching that one. I have more.
David
faith in that
indicator
happening
works
now.
again.
I was sitting on this couch saying, depending on where somebody came in to my content and what it was that they consumed, they would consider me either to be someone that was extremely critical of the developers or a developer grinder. I say this because it was brought to my attention this morning in a DM that I
you watching,
another
Devin?
content creator that
Dash.
apparently
Ooh, now you loud,
this
fucker.
guy that goes by the name of Goat.
I didn't do anything.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to fix shit over here, but you're loud now.
Said that I was a BSG or a
I'm watching a
developer
Dash.
simp. And the I can't help but laugh because the sentiment of me being a simp above everyone else that has made a name for themselves in the content creation space is like, dear journal, I heard a really great joke today. I'm going to assume that this person who seems
Lunchtime
like they
trading
have
has
few
sucked as of
subscribers at
late.
this point, and I can understand the grind.
So
probably doesn't understand the history.
BRCC and under $10 picks from Zach, Bravo Romeo Charlie.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking about going to make my trip to the office right now. It usually slows down right about now for a little while.
Yeah, you get that pickup at one market time.
Yeah.
Up here, you'll notice
Yeah, I've noticed like literally from my time, 8 till
BRCC
10, there's 2 hours of nothingness.
When Tarkov was new, when Labs was
That's why I've been disappearing a lot in that time.
4 years now, 3.5 years.
And then I popped back in here at 10:30, see what's happening. Yesterday, nothing happened. Like, I came back and I'm like, this still sucks.
When Tarkov didn't have any ping restrictions,
I think all of you were gone.
that high ping to their advantage by playing.
Yeah, I was on the phone a lot yesterday.
that phrase
Were you in the office all day?
advantage in Tarkov.
Well, I was at home working, but I was on the telephone a lot. So.
Nice. Busy days kind of help, especially when it's slow in the market.
And today, I don't know, I'm having some issues. I'd use OneDrive to share plans and stuff with other people, and for some reason, I can't send a shared link all of a sudden. So I got to go check my settings at my computer. Plus, I got to turn off another program that I forgot to turn off the other day. I could have the girl do that, but she can't do what I need to do to check the settings.
Yeah. You got to make a quick trip in. Is it pretty close?
Right about this time of day, maybe about 20 minutes each way.
That ain't too bad. Could be better, could be worse.
Yeah, for sure.
No.
You could live in California, where that drive would probably be an hour and a half both ways.
Is he dead?
So that makes it better.
Got one. On the left side. Where are you at, Sock? I don't know if I just shot at you or not.
You still doing your cutoff period, Tim, where you don't trade after? Can't remember. Was it now? Was it 11?
I think it's 11:30, 12ish, usually 12. But like, I have no problem trading something after that time as long as it fits my parameters still. Like, I'm staying away from news. I'm staying away from volume out of nowhere. I'm staying away from that kind of stuff. But like, if it's something that was just moving throughout the day and it's just having a normal breakout, like, I don't mind trading those.
Trading it. Okay. Just you don't want those afternoon news bumps or any of that garbage.
Yeah, because I mean, I've been saying it forever, and I for some reason I tend to just go against myself, like I did with Neon. But it's like that is now a ticker in price discovery. Like, we have no idea where the hell that thing's going. Yet I still try to.
We get suckered into it, dude. I still, even though I don't want to trade your setups, I get suckered into them, you know, every now and then. Just like, maybe I'll try this. You know.
Well, my thing is, how many times do you see those volume out of nowhere as a news plays, like go up, make a high, and then give the entire move back? And that's what suckers me in. But what I fail to realize,
the idea that maybe
yeah, and what I fail to realize is how many of those times does the thing just halt and then go higher, and then halt and then go higher? Like, that happens too.
Yeah. And if it's kind of like 50-50, 40-60, is that really the play you want to do?
Right. I mean, even
S&P
so,
futures popping here now.
I still feel the
41,
odds are in your
37.
favor on those plays. Probably like, I don't know, like 65-35. But the risk you're taking, to me, is much higher.
It's so high.
Yeah.
No, that's kind of what I actually said the same thing in my head earlier about something. I can't remember what I was looking at, but I was like, no, you know, like, it's not my play. The risk on like your type of trades is higher for me because I don't even have a plan for them, you know, and I don't have a, you know, set idea for how many shares or how big of a loss I don't have that idea on those. So it's just kind of like setting myself up for max losses.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They're not my trade, so I shouldn't take them. And but I get tempted on them. I do. That's why sometimes I mute the room, just because it tempts me. And I'm like, I want one of those. I want to jump in it. You know, I want a top ticket. 9 times out of 10, I don't top ticket, and I get effed. Those things ream me, dude. I'm not good at them. I was looking at one yesterday, and I was like, oh, I think it was SI. It was one I heard Thomas get in it later, but I was looking at that previously. I would have already been in that. I stayed away from it because I'm not taking those, but I was like, I would have been $1.20 against me because it looked like it was extending. It looked like it was too high, you know. It's just not my place.
A-firm.
GME moving.
Is it really? SPY just freaking made a pretty nice move up.
All right, I'm going to make my run. I'll be back in about an hour-ish.
All right, brother. Drive safe. I feel the SPY.
Oh,
I
we
mean, I
have
don't know,
shares there
I
now.
know you look
Was
at ES or
HTB
whatever,
earlier.
this should look similar, yeah. DT.
Yeah.
They're pretty similar. It's
Yeah,
in
they go
this
off
like
each other.
it's in this like flaggish formation that it hasn't been able to fully break either way.
Flag on
It
what?
tried to break.
Time frame.
Huh?
What
Well, if
time
you look at it like a 30 or an hour, you know, I've kind of had these lines drawn on it for days now.
Yeah,
We-
market's in balance. Everyone's waiting
Yeah,
for
it's in
who's
this-
going to do what.
It's in this. Are we gonna go up? Are we
Yeah.
gonna go down? I don't know.
So if you look at
Yeah,
the
I mean,
range over the last couple of days, if the midpoint where the point of control is, it's in balance, and no one wants to make. People
Nobody
need
wants
more
to make a move.
information.
I'll send you the picture then. I've taken it's on my other chart, so I gotta use that snippet crap.
Buyers and sellers have not decided who wants to be in
Which
control
way to
yet.
go?
Yep.
TMDI taking
Retail
small
sales
dollars.
today
Kinda
didn't help
big, but
either.
If you blow it up, you can kind of just get an idea from the lines that are here from the last week and a half. I mean, it's been abiding by them pretty well. It tried to break above them yesterday and slammed it back
recently
under
I made
them.
a YouTube video about
But it's still just
Tarkov
stuck
Def
in
a fun
this
one,
kinda-
LOL.
This one,
I guess
whenever you
you'd
get
call
this
it like a
error
bull
in your
flag-ish
game,
type
it means there are
thing,
invisible
I guess.
players in your raid,
those-
as well as
those
it
trend
lowers your
lines, bull
frames.
flag, that's a horn.
And right now there is
Yeah,
a
it's kind of
little
more of
addition,
a.
well,
It's
maybe
not
a
like
big
a
addition I
megaphone
want to
thing because
add
it's not higher
regarding this,
highs.
Yeah,
error.
I don't.
So
I don't like that.
It's just kind of like a
bullshit.
funky looking flag to me. But I put that red line in there because I'm like, okay, I feel like if we get above that 415 area, I feel we're breaking up. I mean, that's a pretty good way out of this little consolidation BS we're in. So I think above that 415, 415-ish. I think that would be a good
It
sign.
needs to be
that
higher
we're,
and the VIX be a little lower. It'll confirm strength.
Yeah, we'll see what happens, man. I mean, I think, like you said, I think we're still kind of in flux. Nobody knows exactly.
after you finish the raid
Yeah,
and
we're
you
shooting
restart the
shit
game,
down in the air
all
every
of
other
those
day.
errors, they're gonna go into your log files. And
Not
let me
telling
show
anybody
them.
what it is.
If you open your Escape from Tarkov folder,
Swear to God, like they try to come up with something new, like once a month at least, to get everybody riled up again.
Yeah, they're called event contracts, where you bet
Is that what?
if it's going to be reach high a day or low a day.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. It's a new retail thing. Literally what it is. You buy contracts and
folder,
you
it's in
want,
Battlefield
it's either
Games,
going to go
EFT.
high a day or low
There
a
will
day. and
be
it's how you
a
win
little
or
folder
lose,
called logs,
whatever you want to call it.
and
Is
typically
that,
logs don't really
I would
take
imagine
a lot
that's
of
not
space.
like
It's just small
super
files, you know.
profitable?
For example, those ones are just like what,
It just
150,
came out in
give you,
January.
160 kilobytes.
I feel like
It's
it's
been
very
the it's been the meme
typically
of
are.
the futures
It's
world
a bit
lately.
of text, a bit of code, and that's it.
Because it's put out by
But the real
CME, which
problem
is
is
Chicago,
that
who does
in some of the
options and
raids you
futures.
are getting those
Okay.
bugs, you're getting those errors, and
People
those
Kinda
log
like a
files
very
actually really
50-50
huge. For example,
type,
this one is 27
Yes,
megabytes.
it's for
Idea,
retail
yeah.
Though it might
traders
sound
want
not
the
that
bet
big,
is
but
going to
when
be
you
at the
open
high
it,
day or
your
low
PC
day.
lags for a
Come on.
bit because
Yeah.
there's such a high amount of information. And when you start scrolling down, you can see that the slider is not even moving. Look,
Is it
I'm
like
scrolling down,
what do you win for it? Like
and the
let's say you
slider
buy
is
I'm
just
not
not
looking
moving.
into it
And that's
because I
to do
think
with
it's
the
a fucking
high
joke.
amount of errors.
Do you?
And if we add all of that
course.
stuff up, it
Of
adds
It's
up
like
to
playing roulette. Is it going to be red or is it going to be red or
Yeah,
black?
you got like a 50-50
gigabytes.
Do you think it's going to be
here.
at so at
gigabytes
closing? Do you
of
think it's going to be a high day or low day?
data, which we don't need.
That's funny.
If
And
you're
I
wrong, you
highly
lose.
advise
If
you
you're
to
right, you
delete
win.
this folder. So I know some of us
Hey,
might have
I'll let shit
more
out of
space
them.
on
I don't
SSD,
care.
some of us might
What
have
if
less.
it's
Like I never
neither?
have enough space on my SSD.
What if it's just in the middle of the day?
I don't know how that works.
Something ridiculous.
Why
I've
would I
seen
research
screenshots
something
of
I
people
think is a
having
joke?
No, I didn't even know about it, so you've researched it more than me, bro.
Well, it got brought up. I just looked to see what it was. I was like, what is this shit? Because everyone's
Gotcha.
making fun of it, so I just wanted to know what it was.
Oh, really? I haven't really heard about that. I don't read
Another
about
way for big
contracts.
money to make money off of retail. That's the way I see it.
That's pretty much what what the whole market is. That's the game we're all trying to play.
XPON setting up
RBLX
nice.
trade today, so
Move
good
through
about
5
that.
would be juicy. HTB
Those are
here.
the type of trades I normally miss out on, but I know they're gonna do that in my mind. Funny how hard it is to take what you know it's gonna do and put it into action sometimes.
Amorous, seeing some heavy call activity. The February $2 calls on Alpha Michael Romeo Sandy. Seeing repeat activity in that one.
Oh, Dash did not break down and went all the way back up to these highs. That's crazy.
VMEO earnings.
I have no idea how I'm still playing Tarkov. No game has made me more angry, more afraid, and more unsure of my gaming capability. Maybe I'm just getting too old to stay competitive. Maybe I need more hours to stand against a Giga Chad. Or maybe this game exists just to make us hate ourselves. Because I'll tell you, every time I play this game, I hate myself for playing it. And I keep doing it. Why do I keep doing it? Take this solo woods run, for example. I was having a great time. Honestly, a little afraid, looting and scooting.
Yeah, unless we're in like a super hot market where you're
without
seeing
failure,
that continued
something
volume.
unfortunate
That's kind of getting
happens.
to the point where that's where I'll cut
It
out
happens.
for a little bit.
Depends on the news.
Oh, we get in those.
Let me
Yeah,
play it
you
again.
can see it when it's here, but like right now, you just know it's not. We're not getting continuation.
This
Crazy
right here.
PSD.
This man holds
BRCC
all the
12K now.
Him with his
Pass.
predator
Which is
gun
good, but
pointed right at my asshole.
RBLX trading sideways.
He's been sitting here for God knows how long.
Oh,
And
yeah,
he's just
Carvana,
gonna
that didn't die
soak
either.
up all my goop
Dang, two
for
sucks
free.
I thought looked great. Oh. He said,
It really is interesting. Never once have I so pitifully begged for my life, but this game will make you do it. You don't believe me? Watch the rest of this video. Tell me what you think.
Hang on, I'm about to unlock Peacekeeper level 2. I'm so close, dude.
I'm about to best.
I got it!
Dog for a quick walk right now, guys. I'll be back in a little bit.
They have it.
Good luck if you try.
Bathwater.
I'm going, boys.
Running left? That's him inside.
Yep. No, he's outside. Outside. Right on the truck. On the truck.
He's pushing up on the truck.
Shooter down.
Hold right side.
One tap. What the fuck?
Oh my god, I got hit.
I shot him 3 times.
I thought there was some right. Oh, I'm dead.
Oh yeah, he's on you.
Huh? He just fucking wiped us.
Oh, we're good. We're good. Looking for a blue laser.
Oh shit.
I'm also dead. Okay. Somebody's right here. Right behind me.
Come back. We can't see you. Come back, Ghost.
1 on 2 story. And I'm
fucking dead.
That sounded just like the death.
Probably trains. I'm in the bottom of Big Red. Don't kill me if you see me.
That was a name. You got it, nice.
Oh.
He's inside Big Red. He fucking sees me. I'm inside. He's in the red cargo container.
I'm dead. I just died.
This guy is insane. That's a
he's
cheater.
cheating.
I think that's a cheater for sure.
I'm
Domo Von.
I'm going another one. Peace. Actually, I'm going Nally first. Fuck this.
No, what?
Get the marked room first, you fucking idiot.
You snooze.
JP, they're gonna beat us there. You gotta fucking go. You got the key.
You're gonna die out there. I hate you.
More loot for me.
Why is he retarded?
Oh,
Good luck.
Weird. Weird.
Domo.
And FTG IPO is open now. November 5 Rectangle Golf. And FTG
Watching Domo, D-O-M-O.
opened at $4.55.
Arigato.
Now at $5 at the high, up 20%, priced at $4.15.
I am still hoping for
That's NFT
something.
Gaming.
I was looking into the 1720s. Just can't get it.
And FTG now halted on a circuit breaker.
I was going to ask you about your affiliate payouts.
What about them?
Do they get paid out into a different account or your actual bank account?
For who? For Interactive Brokers?
It doesn't matter. Any affiliate. So they can put
it
it
varies from one to the other.
Okay.
Could be PayPal, could be bank account, could be trading account. They all, I've seen them
Yeah,
all
I'm
different.
sure it varies. You ever see one with deals?
Deals?
Deals, it's an HR, kind of like does your payroll for you because you're going as a contractor.
I mean, I've never heard
Domo.
of this.
That basically
go
answers
with a
my
no.
question then.
Yeah.
Basically how prop firms pay you out because you're a 1099 contract worker.
Right.
Just
that
takes
makes
the
sense.
responsibility of the prop firm having to send you out a 1099, basically.
Right.
So it goes through their bank. It's just one of these online banking employee website type things. That makes sense.
Yeah, like ISW's PayPal, TraderSync's PayPal, Trade Ideas is bank account. CMEG was account, or you could have them send like a wire to a bank account.
Account?
Like trading account.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like a account.
Like the account, yeah.
Oh, okay. I get it.
Yeah, like, and Interactive Brokers is also your account. Like they just put it in there. That was actually how
I've
it slipped
heard that
by
some
me.
affiliates pay you differently.
Yeah. This
But
Domo is
being a prop firm is different because you're not actually trading your money,
DOMO,
they're just
Domo,
paying you
spiking to the high on heavy volume now. Delta Oscar, Michael Oscar.
they're paying you for
DOMO.
your paper account.
Right. Should have hit the button there. Spread kept me out. No. Damn spread. That would have been a quickie. Son of a bitch. Yep, and I think I might stream one. Or well, I might be behind. Interesting that ad there. Alright. I think I'm gonna, well, we'll see how this plays out. I'm gonna start lunch though. I should have been in that at 17:30. Or at least tried to hit the ask, one of the two.
NFTG shares resume trading now. November Foxtrot Tango Golf. Shares moving near the lows now, $4.16, just about the offering price.
All right, I think this is gonna slow down. I'm gonna go ahead and eat and then get some other back end type work done. Today was okay. Could have been worse, obviously. It was for a little bit there, but it worked out. Bangkok, you can always come in the Discord. I just have some other stuff I want to get done after I eat, and I don't want to sit here and just eat in front of you, especially while nothing's really happening. This Doma is really the only thing I'm watching, but at this point, I'd want it to go much higher, so it really doesn't make sense. So I will get out of here. Appreciate y'all being here. I will be here tomorrow as well. Hopefully things go a little bit smoother. Today kind of sucked as far as the moves that we got, and of course I picked the hard one, but I'll see y'all tomorrow, or I'll see you in the Discord later. Peace.